Hey everyone, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat Coin to your Binance app. And please make sure you watch until the end of the video because then you will be able to do this just like me. So without further ado, let's dive into the video right now. First, you open your Hamster Kombat Coin app, you go to airdrop, and then you see here Binance Exchange. You click on that, and right now you need to have an account. So I click on yes, I have it. And here we see we need to add two types of information, the deposit address and a memo. And for this, we need to go to our Binance app, make sure you're logged in and all set up. Then you go to the little search thing and then you type in HMSTR and then you will find it. And if you don't find it, then you're probably not in an eligible location. So watch my other video where I use a VPN to work around this for this. But assuming you have the information, you just type it in just like I'm doing here right now. Just something like this. It is of course different at your end. And when you have everything filled in, you click on save and choose, and then you're all set up. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.